Florida Anchorage. Nice smokestacks in the background, but it's really good to be here. Finally gonna be in shorts and a t-shirt all day, every day. Today is just hang out. Probably gonna do some cleaning projects on the boat. Don't really have a whole lot to fix for once. Go ahead and knock on some wood real quick. Yeah, I think we're gonna take a dinghy ride to shore right now, walk around a little bit, and then come back and clean. Well, today was fairly uneventful. Just pretty much slept in, caught up on that sleep from the 30-hour sail. Went and did some grocery shopping, went to Walmart to pick up some stuff that we've been needing for a while. That boat that I just zoomed in on right before this clip is washed up on shore, and I tried going to explore, like check it out, see what happened earlier today, and the mud was so deep that I was like probably like up to here in mud. Both legs, lost both Crocs in the mud, so I had to reach my arm down there, so I'm like absolutely disgustingly covered in mud, and I just smell so bad. So I just stole a shower from this marina here because we're still out on anchor. I think I'm gonna do that more often, just try to like steal showers. Nobody really cares that much, and I think I made their bathroom a little bit cleaner. Go back to the boat, watch some Thursday night football, and call it a night. And get some dinner too. Oh, I also forgot to mention, we're still on Amelia Island. We're probably gonna hang out here for a couple days because it's kind of nice, it's mellow, it's warm. Only downside is there's a lot of bugs. And we're waiting for one of our friends to fly in from Jacksonville. Or fly into Jacksonville. We're picking them up there, so we got a couple days to kill, and I think they fly in on Thanksgiving, so we have a week to make it like 40 miles or something. Very short. Good morning. Late start to the day because we slept in because there ain't nothing to do. And when there ain't nothing to do, you know what that means. It means it's time to go to the beach. First beach day for me of the trip. First of many, I'm sure. I got like a 2-mile walk to the beach, and I'm just gonna go hang out, relax, go swimming. Yeah, beach stuff. Sick park. You got like 4 different sections of these like little gym equipments. Like right on the water here, people fishing out there. yesterday at the beach, the tides changed drastically and we spun all the way around our anchor, and my snag line got stuck in my rudder. So we were facing the complete opposite direction with technically 10 feet of anchor scope. Really glad there's no wind today. That could have been bad. Might be done with the snag line for now. But overall, really fun, relaxing, awesome day. Probably gonna call it an early night tonight because we're tired. You know, after all the stuff that went wrong for the first month, and especially coming into Charleston with the bent prop, I was really second guessing why I'd even tried to do this trip. But after that sail down to Florida, and really after going in the ocean today and finally getting a real swim in, it's what you do it for. I'm really happy to be here. Good morning. We just got the boat all ready to go. I think we're leaving here tomorrow. We're gonna do another 165 mile ocean sail down to Cocoa Beach. So we'll probably get going first thing in the morning tomorrow. So fueled up, filled up our water tanks, ready to go, ready to hit the open ocean. Today we're gonna do one more day of exploring around Fernandina and maybe go check out a museum. Maybe go back to that gym because that place was sick. And then I kind of want to jump in the water again, so maybe I'll walk all the way to the beach again. Who knows? Who knows what today will bring? Well, today so far has been fairly uneventful in the sense of vlogging goes. I mean, we went to the museum, which was cool, but then I kind of just did a repeat of what I did yesterday and didn't want to just put out 2 days of footage of me walking to the beach, essentially. So I'm definitely lumping this in, make it a 2-day episode. And just kind of get closer to where I'm at in real time. Because all these problems that I've been having, you know, like fouled prop and whatnot, there's been people commenting and saying, hey, can we help you? We live locally, or giving me referrals and stuff. But by the time I even get these comments, I've already fixed the problem and moved on. But I think it would just be beneficial to be closer to where I'm at in my timeline, and it's kind of more fun for the viewer, I think. All right, well, Albert called me and said he got paid, so he's buying beers. So I'm going to meet him at the bar right now. Have a nice cold beer. Next time on Sailing with Steven.